Squeeze 2 lemons. Go about your business. Sip hot tea slowly. May I disturb you? Don't spit on the floor. Abstain from drinking. Have I hurt you? It is only hearsay. Please don't forget to come day after tomorrow. Will you go on foot or by bus? Make my bed. I have no objections. Yes, by all means. He succeeded by dint of hard work. Nobody can bear such an insult. How time flies. Rest assured. Make the most of your time. Nothing more. You are getting beside yourself with anger for nothing. Come what may. I am awful sorry to have kept you waiting so long. I beg your pardon. Write as neatly as you can. It's all you're doing. It is not manly to cry like a baby. Don't beat about the bush. Go yourself. Have a little patience. Work wholeheartedly. He is a very slippery character. I was pained to hear that. She was absorbed in her work. It was done inadvertently. When will you come back? You misunderstood me. He is a very good friend of mine. What did you say? I will come in a little while. When will this start? Where are you going? I need to talk to you. Did you see him? He hasn't come yet. I called him several times. Why do you need this? How did this happen? Why did you come so late? When will this work be finished? How was your day? Please open the door for me. Can you do this?